Hello, my name is Chris, and today we're going to take a quick look at how to display data with a stacked bar chart using Microsoft Excel. First, select both the category labels and the numbers, as well as the column headers in your data set. Then go to the Insert tab on the menu bar and click on the bar chart icon. A drop-down menu will appear, and I'll choose the 2D stack bar chart. And just like that, Excel creates a stack bar chart for you. First, I'll add the title by simply copying and pasting the title from the spreadsheet. Now, is this the best way to display the data? This stack bar chart suggests to me that student loan debt in the United States has increased quite a bit over time. But I wonder what percent of non-housing debt is student loans? I'm going to make another stack bar chart to find out. Go to the Insert tab on the menu bar once again and click on the bar chart icon. This time I'll choose the 100% stack bar chart. Once again, I'll add the title by simply copying and pasting the title from the spreadsheet. Now I have two stack bar charts that not only show me the dollar amounts of the different types of non-housing debt, but also they show me the composition of non-housing debt over time in the United States.